Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove devices from Apple ID, security control step by step clearly. Open settings on your iPhone or iPad and make sure you are connected to the internet. Tap your name at the top to enter the Apple ID menu. If you do not see your name, sign in with the Apple ID you want to manage. Scroll down to find the list of devices connected to your Apple ID. Tap the device you want to remove and verify you selected the correct one. Check the device details like model and serial number to avoid removing the wrong device. If the device is nearby and still signed in, decide if you can sign out from that device directly first. If you no longer have the device, continue with removal from this device list. Tap Remove from Account, then read the warning message carefully. Tap Remove again to confirm and wait for the confirmation to appear. If asked, enter your Apple ID password to authorize the change. If asked, complete Face ID or Touch ID verification to confirm it's you. Now open Settings and go to Apple ID, then Password and Security. Tap Change Password if the removed device was lost or if you suspect unauthorized access. Create a strong new password and do not reuse an old password. Return to Password and Security and check two-factor authentication is turned on. Go back to the Apple ID page and review the device list again to confirm the device is gone. If the removed device still appears, wait a few minutes and refresh the list. If you use a Mac, open System Settings and click your Apple ID to view the same device list. Select the device on Mac and choose Remove from Account if it is still listed there. If you use iCloud on the web, go to iCloud.com, sign in, and open Account Settings. Review your devices there and remove any you do not recognize. Open Find My on iPhone and check devices to see if the missing device is listed. If it is your lost device, select it and enable Lost Mode to protect your data. Choose Erase this device and Find My only if you are sure you won't need its data anymore. Go back to Settings, tap Passwords, and update important saved logins if you think they were exposed. Check your Apple ID email and phone number are correct so only you can recover the account. Finally, review your trusted phone numbers and remove any number you don't control. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.